Anganyasa and Karanyasa, Angushtabhyam, and all the mantras, all the Anganyasa, Karanyasa mantras, invoking, declare Paramashivoham, the highest powerful cognition, state, space, and powers of being Paramashiva. Manifest in this each part of the body. Let it flow as a natural flow in this body. Let this body become Divya Sharira. Do this every day, and Swamiji, His Divine Holiness, guaranteeing that you will become Divya Sharira. Today, as we are celebrating the day 3 of Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Mahotsavam and Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva at the Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Devalaya, let us declare this. Let us achieve the state of Divya Shariri. Now, as we celebrate this, there are various celebrations that are offered, various pujas, various homas, various sevas that are offered to Paramashiva. Today, as part of those, the Shanka Tayobhishechara Mahayajanam, the seva, that this seva is a worship of Paramashiva, invoking him in the sacred fire Shivagni, and the sacred waters energized and sanctified in the Dakshinavatara Shanka. Dakshinavarta Shankas are the conches which have the opening on the right hand side. This is a very rare variety of Shanka, the conch, during the first cycle of churning of the Milky Ocean. The Devas and the Asuras together churned the Milky Ocean. So many precious sacred things got manifested from the Milky Ocean. Conch also got manifested. Hence, conch is one of the sacred materials in the Sanatana Hindu Dharma. The water poured into the conch literally becomes Amrita. It is extremely sacred. Also, one can hear the sound of eternal Pranava Nada in the conch. The conch reverberates with the cosmic sound Om. In this seva, the sacred waters are energized and sanctified through the powerful Veda Agamic mantras, making Paramashiva manifest in the Shivagni. Paramashiva, who is in this manifested, is circuited in 300 rare, auspicious, sacred right-hand conches, and then to the self-evolved Paramashiva, Swayambhu Nityanandeshwara. The Swayambhu Shivalinga is worshipped by the offering of the sacred Amrita-fied waters from these 300 conches on the Swayambhu Linga, thereby matching the manifestation of Paramashiva. In the 300 conches enter the Moolavar Linga of Swayambhu Nityanandeshwara. Paramashiva himself in the Amshu Madaga speaks of the benefits of the Shanka Toya Bhishechedana Mahayajanam. Amshumat, Agama, Ayushri, Mrutyunjayam. This verse meaning offering of Shanka Tirtha as Abhishekam bestows wealth, longevity, warding of death, healing of diseases, destruction of enemies, dharma, artha, kama, moksha, sons, grandsons, removal of all sins. Hence, meticulously perform Abhishekam with Shankatirtha. The another seva that got offered is Champaka Archana to Swayambhu Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva. This Archana is the worship of Paramashiva with his various names and his various Ananta Kalyana Gunas. By performing the Archana, one pleases Paramashiva and manifests all these Ananta Kalyana Gunas of Paramashiva in themselves and their lives. Also, offering of this Archana to Swayambhu Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva is a very special, as Paramashiva has self-manifested as the Linga in Adi Kailas Sarvajna Pita. Offering to the Swayambhu Linga will bestow Paramashiva's grace and manifest any boon asked for. Today, we are offering the Uttamottama Seva to Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva, Nityanandeshwara Parashakti, and Bhagwan Surya. As today is the Ravivara, Uttamottama Seva is also offered to Bhagwan Surya. Our Gurukul Balasans are offering this Uttamottama Seva to Paramashiva and Bhagwan Surya. Let us all stay tuned to watch this divine offering, and we offer this seva as a gratitude to at the lotus feet of our beloved Guru, His Divine Holiness Bhagwan Nityananda Paramashivam. Let's all stay tuned and get these blessings of Paramashiva and Bhagwan Surya. Thank you, Nityanandam.
Welcome all of you, the whole world, to come and celebrate, enjoy not only the enlightenment ecosystem, the beauty of how it is getting revived. Be an insider for this great revival process. If you are an insider even for a startup company, you will understand not only the result of the company, even that being an insider is such a joy. Being an insider when it was happening is something extraordinary. So, I welcome all of you to come and be part of an insider of this revival of Kailasa, the enlightenment ecosystem. sovereign order of Kailasa nation itself. I request and invite all of you to become e-Kailasian. Get your free passport and make billions receive this free passport.
First offering of the Uttamottama Seva at the feet of Devi Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Sri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva is the offering of the Chaturvedam. Devadevottama Devata Sarvabhauma Akhilanda Koti Brahmanda Nayaka Sri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Sri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Chaturveda Priya Chaturvedam Avadharaya. ऋग्वेदा हरिः ॐ अग्निमीले पुरोहितं यज्ञस्य देवं ऋग्विजं होता आरं रत्नधातावं हरिः ॐ यजुर्वेदा हरिः ॐ इषेतो चेत्वा वायवस्तोपायवस्तदेवो वस्तविता प्रार्पयतु श्रेष्ठतमाय कर्मणे हरिः ॐ सामवेदा हरिः ॐ अग्न आयाहि पीतये गृणानो हव्यधातये निहोता सप्सि बर्हिषि हरिः ॐ अथर्ववेदा हरिः ॐ शन्नो देवीरभिष्टय आपो भवन्तु पीतये संयोरभिश्रवन्तु नः हरिः ॐ. The next offering of the Uttamottama Seva at the feet of Devi Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Sri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva is the offering of the Agama Shlokas. Devadevottama Devata Sarvabhauma Akhilanda Koti Brahmanda Nayaka Sri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Sri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Agama Shloka Priya Agama Shlokanavadharaya. श्री भगवानुवाच अति कौतूहलाविष्टा पृच्छस्येतत् शृणु प्रिये यन्मे नेत्रान्तरे वह्नेत् यद्वामृतमनुत्तमं तत्सर्वं कथयिष्यामि योगयुक्त्या शृणु प्रिये यत्स्वरूपं निजं शुद्धं व्यापकं सर्वतोमुखं सर्वभूतान्तरावस्थं प्राणिषु जीवनं योगगम्यं दुरासादं दुष्प्रापमकृतातमभिः ज्ञानादिषडगुणायेते तत्रस्ताः प्रभवन्ति सा वै महाक्रिया रूपा संस्थितैका क्रियामता अनिमादिगुणा नष्टो करोति विकरोति स एवं ममेच्छा ज्ञानाख्या क्रियाख्या शक्तिरुच्यते दहनाप्यायने तेन प्राकाशं विददाम्यहं सृष्टिं स्थितिं संहृतिं च त्रितनुर्विददाम्यहं तत्सिद्धिदं परं देवं सर्वदुःखविमोक्षणं सर्वव्याधिहरं देवं सर्वामयहरं शिवम्. The next offering of the Uttamottama Seva at the feet of Devi Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Sri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva is the offering of the Stotra Seva. Devadevottama Devata Sarvabhauma Akhilanda Koti Brahmanda Nayaka Sri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Sri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Stotra Priya Stotram Avadharaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Sadashivaya Sakala Tattvatmakaya सर्वमन्त्रस्वरूपाय सर्वयन्त्राधिष्ठिताय सर्वतन्त्रस्वरूपाय सर्वतत्त्वविदूराय ब्रह्मरुद्रावतारिणे नीलकण्ठाय पार्वती मनोहराय सोमसूर्याग्निलोचनाय भस्मोद्दूलितविग्रहाय महामणिमुकुटधारणाय माणिक्यभूषणाय सृष्टिस्थितिप्रलयकालरौद्रावताराय दक्षाध्वरध्वंसकाय महाकालभेदनाय मूलाधारैकनिलयाय तत्त्वातीताय गंगाधराय सर्वदेवादिदेवाय षडाश्रयाय वेदान्तसाराय त्रिवर्गसाधनाय अनन्तकोटिब्रह्माण्डनायकाय अनन्तवासुकितक्षककार्कोटकशङ्खगुलिकपद्ममहापद्मेति अष्टमहानागकुलभूषणाय प्रणवस्वरूपाय चिदाकाशाय आकाशदिक्स्वरूपाय ग्रहनक्षत्रमालिने सकलाय कलङ्करहिताय सकललोकैककर्त्रे सकललोकैकभर्त्रे सकललोकैकसंहर्त्रे सकललोकैकगुरवे सकललोकैकसाक्षिणे सकलनिगमगुह्याय सकलवेदान्तपारगाय सकललोकैकवरप्रदाय सकललोकैकशङ्कराय शशाङ्कशेखराय शाश्वतनिजावासाय निराभासाय निरामयाय निर्मलाय निर्मदाय निश्चिन्ताय निरहङ्काराय निरङ्कुशाय निष्कलङ्काय निर्गुणाय निष्कामाय निरुपप्लवाय निरुपद्रवाय निरवध्याय निरन्तराय निष्कारणाय निरन्तकाय निष्प्रपञ्चाय निस्सङ्गाय निर्द्वन्द्वाय निराधाराय निरागाय निष्क्रोधाय निर्लोपाय निष्पापाय निर्भयाय निर्विकल्पाय निर्भेदाय निष्क्रियाय निस्तुलाय निस्संशयाय निरुपमविभवाय नित्यशुद्धबुद्धपरिपूर्ण सच्चिदानन्दाद्वयाय परमशान्तस्वरूपाय तेजोरूपाय तेजोमयाय जय जय रुद्र महारौद्र भद्रावतार महाभैरव कालभैरव कल्पान्तभैरव कपालमालाधर खट्वांग खड्ग चर्म पाशांकुश डमरुशूल चाप बाण गदा शक्ति भिंडिपाल तोमर मुसल मुद्गर पाश परिघ कुशुंडी षटग्नि चक्राद्यायुध भीषणकर सहस्रमुखदंष्ट्राकरालवदन विकटाट्टहास विस्फारित ब्रह्मांड मंडल नागेन्द्र कुंडल नागेन्द्र हार नागेन्द्र वलय नागेन्द्र चर्मधर मृत्युंजय त्रयंबक विश्वरूप विरूपाक्ष विश्वेश्वर वृषभवाहन विश्वभूषण विश्वतोमुख सर्वतो रक्ष रक्ष मां ज्वल ज्वल महामृत्युमपमृत्यु भयं नाशय नाशय चोर भयं उच्चादय उच्चादय ऋषसर्प भयं शमय शमय चोरान् मारय मारय मम शत्रून् उच्चाटय उच्चाटय त्रिशूलेन विधारय विधारय कुठारेण भिण्डि भिण्डि खड्गेन छिण्डि छिण्डि खट्वांगेन विपोधय विपोधय कुशलेन निष्पेषय निष्पेषय बाणैः संताटय संताटय रक्षांसि भीषय भीषय भूतानि विद्रावय विद्रावय कूष्माण्ड मारीच वेताल ब्रह्मराक्षसगणान् संताटय संताटय माम् अभयं कुरु कुरु वित्रस्त्वं माम् आश्वासय आश्वासय नरकभयान् माम् उद्धर उद्धर सञ्जीवय सञ्जीवय क्षुत्रुभ्यां माम् आप्यायय आप्यायय दुःखातुरं माम् आनन्दय आनन्दय शिवकवचेन माम् आच्छाटय आच्छाटय मृत्युञ्जय त्रयम्बक सदाशिव परमशिव नमस्ते नमस्ते. The next offering of the Uttamottama Seva at the feet of Devi Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Sri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva is the offering of the Dravida Vedam. Devadevottama Devata Sarvabhauma Akhilanda Koti Brahmanda Nayaka Sri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Sri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Dravida Veda Priya Dravida Vedam Avadharaya. சிவா திருச்சிற்றம்பலம். வேயுரு தோழி பங்கன் விடமுண்ட கந்தன் மிக நல்ல வீணை கடவி மாசரு திங்கள் கங்கை முடிமேல நின்று அந்நுலமே புகுண்ட அதனால் ஞாயிறு திங்கள் செவ்வாய் புதன் வியாழன் வெள்ளி சனி பாம்பிரண்டு முதனே மாசரு நல்ல நல்ல அவை நல்ல நல்ல அடியாரவர்க்கு மிகவே. சிவா திருச்சிற்றம்பலம்.
शिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम्
Of the Uttamottama Seva at the feet of Devi Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Sri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva is the offering of the Nritta Seva. Devadevottama Devata Sarvabhauma Akhilanda Koti Brahmanda Nayaka Sri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Sri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Nritta Priya Nrittam Avadharaya. Offering of the Uttama Seva at the feet of Devi Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva is the offering of the Paramashiva Shakti Avishkarana. Devadevottama Devata Sarvabhauma Akhilanda Koti Brahmanda Nayaka Shri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Paramashiva Shakti Avishkarana Priya Paramashiva Shakti Avishkarana Avadharaya Nityanandam Paramasukadam Kevalam Jnanamurtim Dvandvatitam Gagana Sadrisham Tattvamasyadilaksham Ekam Nityam Vimalamachalam Sarvadi Sakshi Bhutam Bhavatitam Trigunarahitam Sadgurum Tam Namami. Nityanandam, I welcome all of you with my love and respects to today's Paramashiva Shakti Avishkarana. I am Manitya Yoga Pranananda. I'm 13 years old and I've been living in the Nityananda Gurukuls from past 4 years. And today, you'll be witnessing the extraordinary power of remote vision. Before that, let us begin with a small introduction about the source of all, Paramashiva. Paramashiva is the primordial divinity, the ultimate reality and cause, which is self-effulgent, Swayam Prakasha, all-pervading, unchanging beyond time, space, form, and causality. Today, an incarnation of Paramashiva walks among us in the form of the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, Jagat Guru Mahasannidhanam, His Divine Holiness Bhagavan Nityananda Paramashiva, initiating millions of disciples all across the globe into the science of power manifestation. And today, out of all of these 463 extraordinary Shaktis, you will be witnessing the extraordinary Shakti of remote vision. So we have a volunteer along with us. Ma, would you like to introduce yourself?
Nityananda. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma, you can introduce yourself.
My name is Ruma. I live in Baroda, Gujarat, and I have been following Swamiji since 2017. And I did my IA in 2017. That's my introduction.
Yes, ma. So today we'll be manifesting the power of remote vision. So what we'll be doing is, Ma Ruma will be giving any place which she would like me to scan, and I will be connecting to Swamiji by chanting the Mahavakya, Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. And I will be scanning and revealing the details about that place. I'll be telling how many rooms are there, the details, the description about the whole area, and I will be scanning through my third eye and manifesting this power. Yes. Ma Ruma, would you like to give any place? Any place which you would like me to scan?
Yes, Ma, you can scan my home.
Okay, your home. Yes. Okay. So now I'll be scanning Ma Ruma's house by starting to chant the Mahavakya, Om Nityananda Paramashivoham, which is the direct passcode which directly takes us to a higher frequency and continuously reminds us that we are Paramashiva. So all of you also can sit with your head, neck, and spine in a straight line and chant the Mahavakya along with me. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Yes, Ma Ruma, I'll be revealing what Paramashiva revealed to me. So, Paramashiva revealed that the moment you enter inside the house, I was able to see a gate. And after you enter inside the gate, there's a few steps. And after you go inside your house, and there's a narrow pathway. And the moment you enter inside your house, if you see to your to your left side, there's a room and there's a small narrow pathway. And after you go through the narrow pathway to your left side, there's another room. I was able to see that is the bathroom, and to the right in front to the right side, there's another room. I was able to see that's the puja room, and immediately after you cross the narrow pathway, immediately if you see to your right side, the kitchen is there, and next to the kitchen, the puja room is there, and I was able to see in the hall. If the bathroom is here in front, there's a sofa over there, and yes, and I was able to see a table. It's almost in an oval shape. I was able to see a glass table, and after you cross, after the narrow pathway, you go more to your left. I was able to see more stairs over there, and under the stairs, I was able to see a small room where you can store your things and where you keep many of your storage things. And behind that, next to the storeroom, I was able to see another bathroom over there. I'm able to see 4 rooms, and in your hall, I'm able to see one huge mat, a huge carpet, and with hanging lights, like as a decoration with hanging lights and colorful lights in your house. This is what Paramashiva revealed to me. Do you like to verify, Ma?
Suma, yes. So I live in an apartment, and the stairs that you're saying is like the stairs which reaches to my apartment. So all the stairs that you are seeing, there is no stairs inside the house, but yes, the stairs reaches to the door. That stairs maybe that you are seeing. I do have a glass table in the living room. The kitchen is definitely on the right hand side that you saw. The puja room is just adjacent to the kitchen. That is also right. And when you say that there is a room below the stairs, actually that is the common room for the whole apartment, just below the stairs, and they keep it like just as a storeroom. So yes, to that it is all there.
Yes. Well, I'll be scanning a little more if you would like.
Sure.
Okay. Yes, and I saw a few more details. I was able to see in your house, in the living room, there's a painting, there's a picture of Ganesha, and I was also able to see on your glass table, there's a vase which is full of flowers, and I was able to see around the whole house also. I was able to see many flowers, and I was able to see many pictures above. In front of above the sofa, I was able to see Ganesha's picture, and right across to that on the other side of the hall, I was able to see many other pictures. And in front of the sofa, I was able to see a TV, and with under there's a table which is full of CDs, and on the other side, in the rack, I was able to see many albums.
So Ma, yes, there is a picture, not exactly of Ganesha, but there's a Krishna and Gopika. So there's a big picture of Krishna with all the Gopikas. That picture is definitely there. And yes, the table is just below the TV, and there are CDs. There are actually CDs and cassette players, and all the game CDs are also there in that. And sofa is definitely across the TV that you saw. And the flowers is across the house. When you say flowers, there are trees which are like flower bearing trees around my apartment.
Okay. Yes. Would you like to share how you felt during the soul manifestation?
No, this is really good because when you said that if you stand in front of the bathroom, so you can see the sofa. So yes, if you stand just opposite to the bathroom, you can definitely see the sofa at the hall. So yes, it is very very powerful. It's really nice to know that so many details can be seen in the scanning.
Yes. And with this, we would like to offer our gratitude and love at the divine lotus feet of the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, Jagat Guru Mahasannidhanam, His Divine Holiness Bhagavan Nityananda Paramashivam. Thank you, Nityananda.
Paramashivoham Om Nityananda Paramashivoham Om Nityananda Paramashivoham शिवोऽहम्। What I mean by the word e-Kailasa, listen intensely. Enlightenment ecosystem, literally enlightenment itself, in your own home, wherever you are. If you cannot come to Kailasa, it's okay. Kailasa can come to you. Kailasa coming to you is e-Kailasa. What I mean by the word e-Kailasa, listen intensely. Enlightenment ecosystem, literally enlightenment itself, in your own home, wherever you are. If you cannot come to Kailasa, it's okay. Kailasa can come to you. Kailasa coming to you is e-Kailasa. What I mean by the word e-Kailasa, listen intensely. Enlightenment ecosystem, literally enlightenment itself, in your own home, wherever you are. If you cannot come to Kailasa, it's okay. Kailasa can come to you. Kailasa coming to you is e-Kailasa. What I mean by the word e-Kailasa, listen intensely. Enlightenment ecosystem, literally enlightenment itself, in your own home, wherever you are. If you cannot come to Kailasa, it's okay. Kailasa can come to you. Kailasa coming to you is e-Kailasa.